Okay, how to delete focus. If those two lights is flashing like this, not together like now, because I have already deleted the fault, but if they flashing like 1 and 2, then you need to connect like now grounds from battery to the pin, that pin which I was told you this is brown and blue cable from the back, and you're connecting here. Okay, connecting here the cable, and then the red cable which we connect to the socket of DBS. And now when it's like this, is that wire is connected there to the ground. Then we turn on the ignition. Okay, and they will be blinking like now. It means the EBS fault exists. Now it's deleted, but will be blinking separately. Then when we connect that wire, we will ground it to that cable. Okay, we're grounding now, as you see, and it's only one light flashing, and then we're counting to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we will disconnect the red wire, and then should two lights start flashing together, that means the fault is deleted. Okay, tell me that we probably is now 20. I'm disconnecting that cable. Hi, and you see start flashing two of them. It means the EBS fault is deleted, and now it's clear. And you turn on the ignition, disconnect that wire, and the EBS fault is gone. Whole thing. That cable you can just like now keep somewhere here for future if we need delete the fault again. The EBS fault normally is getting when that thing is dirty, and the space between the gap between EBS sensor and that is there is dirty or something like no, then or the battery is very low, then the EBS fault comes on, and the two of them will flashing like 1 to 1 to like no. That's the whole thing, and you can delete the fault by self.